Tired of the quick finishes and want to last way longer in bed? Jamaican Stone has been a game changer for men seeking more control and confidence in the bedroom. In this video, we'll show you how this natural game changer can help you take charge, last longer, and drive your partner wild. One simple application could delay your ejaculation for up to 2 HRs and still maintain your erection. Whether you're looking to increase your staying power from a few seconds to a few minutes to several minutes, or from several minutes to a few hours, you can benefit from using Jamaican Stone. Whether you're struggling with premature ejaculation or just want to enhance your performance, this all-natural solution could be what you need. One simple application could delay your ejaculation for up to 2 hours whilst maintaining rock-hard erections. Ready to turn up the heat? Check out Jamaican Stone and make every moment unforgettable.